हिटलेस कंप्रेसर अनलोडिंग लोडिंग कितने बार पे सेट किया जाता है? अपलोडिंग now deliver air 7.8 deliver is a air deliver and 4 bar is a uploading. Now the deliver air again down the 4 bar again unloading and loading start this 4 bar. This is 6.2 6.1. This is system of loading uploading deliver air hitless compressors. Now going to 5.5 bar again go down 4 bar and uploading compressor. Now go 5.1 air deliver. Now again you as you like you manual uploading. Now I set the F3 button manual uploading. Now this I manual deliver air again push the button F3 again auto starting. Now 4 bar 3.9 again start uploading. Now start is uploading. Yes, this is now this is uploading auto uploading 4.2 4.2 and 3. Now is uploading compressor. This is a system of the uploading 4 bar is down and uploading 8 bar is and deliver air. Now 4.6 now is loaded